Shine, Francis Odigie, our marriage is about to go down. Oga, not they go Nigeria, go the service madam like that. Bola, madam, not they see. UK visa, no work. I won't do this one now. I will take Setora, matter full everywhere. Madam don't call change. Say, he wants to come out for marriage. He don't want to do marriage again. He say she get everything. Money not be problem. But he get one thing where she dey lack of. And nobody want to talk about this area. Everybody all they blame the woman, they blame the woman. Una no want to go this area. And most of the way they blame this woman. Una get mad for us. Mad they service una. Then they give una woto. Then they collect doggy. This woman, they Nigeria, our celebrity. She know they collect doggy. She know they collect anything. She they wait, they look every day. He they lalave every day. Or guy you carry better bola. You go stay UK. Go the run, follow baby mama, nyash up and down. Una say me was sister no crack come out. Or eri waje we do. Iri do ri waje. Eri waje. Waje ten wata wa mi wata. Brother wa mo mozo oduma oviodo owamulele ya the UK. Oh lele baby mama nisa. Oh when you a cooperator yawo. Brother we cooperator yawo. We wari egbola wo we here the corner. When a celebrity man so la dia. Iyelo no mo say wa when so also. Sister make yawo. Uri marriage gbale yoto. Sister we yan la we bo na. Yan la we bo wa we. Nevi yama. We bo mare, visa mare. If do wa gwan matter na si. Sister gwan la jane. Before I go talk, may we listen to our sister first.
Decide to say, I want to disclose to you. I want to write on my page, I'm done with this marriage. It is not you to decide for me whether to write it on my page or to write it privately. I decide as a full-grown woman. I've told a lot of you on my page. I always sing my husband praises. I always praise him. All of you know, people that follow me on my page, they know. I always praise my husband. I always sing his praises. I have never said my husband no they try. I have never said my husband no they try. Heaven will bear me witness. I have never said that. And now, Lord, I want to use this medium to tell you that I never knew, I assumed that you were daft. But I never knew that it's a reality. Say, over empty. Oh, Lolo, do you think that money is everything? Lolo, see, I'm not a money-driven woman. If I'm a money-driven woman or an abroad-driven woman, if I don't see why I don't enter abroad, I've said this thing, time without numbers. Not be today I talk. I am not an abroad-driven woman. And I am not a money-driven woman. Okay? So, if for me to be a slave to money, I will stay aside and pack myself. If my husband can build a house for himself and struggle with his sweat to build a house, can't I build as well? Can't I build my own house as well? Do I have to wait and come and lie down on my husband's house and be receiving insults because I'm seeing money? Because he gives me 500,000 like he told you? I don't have to be doing that. If I want to eat 200,000, I have peace and be respected. I will eat that 200,000 with respect, with peace of mind. If I have to eat 50,000 naira from a man monthly with my wife, please, I love you. I love you. You mean the word to me. I know you are waiting for me. Don't worry. You will, very soon we will all be together with 50,000 naira. I will stay and have my peace. Lolo, I'm not a money-driven person. If a man will give me 500,000, 1 million, and insults the living day life out of my life before he gives me 1 million, I will not stay in that marriage. If a man will insult me and insult my entire generation before he pays my children's school fees, I will rather go and sell corn than to stay in such marriage. No, don't you have sense? Oh, people that you call illiterate, they even have common sense more than you. How come now? This is not nice. This is not nice. This is not nice. All women are not money driven. I have never said my husband is not a good man. I have always praised my husband. I have always supported my husband. If my husband told you he comes to Nigeria every 7 months, are you blind? Are you not on this social media? When I born, was it not in March last year I gave birth to my son? In March last year, and we did my father's burial in March this year. How many months interval is that? Is that not a period of 1 year? How come he came on social media and told you he comes every 7 months and you have to buy it because you detest shine? Because you don't like shine.
My people, now what he talk there, oh. Now what he talk there, oh. But I not commonize that word, though. She said her husband came to social media to tell social media people that he used to come home every 7 months. Francis Odigie is now explaining to the world that this last time he came to Nigeria was when he did his father's burial. I don't know. You see where he explained it just now. So if you look the way she explained it, you will know that it's more than a year now. This man have come home. Imagine a good celebrity of our time, a woman no work best swogo. Nemise javia who can't carry be. Wageriani. Now they look money. Money is not everything. Sometimes negbe who can no one. Because of what a man has soladiana, before you know, it will a man not do have your where you are. A man not do have your where you are. Or maybe no ya going, because our sister don't see money now. They see big things around down. Our sister now, they see big things around down. Nobody want to talk the truth. As I'm telling you now, our sister not broke again. Our sister is doing business that was close to 8 to 10 million naira. So money not be problem now. Now our sister they see big things around down. Now one oku your day UK, or one Wegbola, or one Mori UK, or one Lere UK. Or it was again the baby mama G. Oh, we are doing cooperator. We are doing cooperator. A cooperator, when the sister here in Nigeria. Sister no 1 year cooperator. Only a beg bolani at least once in 6 months. So now, once in 6 months, sister no the sick bola. Wa when they so ladia, eri wajia, na so na be. Una say me no cry, may they shop the money, may your day there, may gog. Why they take it easy? Mona see beg brother say, brother, you dey work better work. You get document. At least once in 6 months, you visit over her way. Yariye doggy ne, give her better doggy. Nerere calm down. A sister mame doggy, erere sister ti calm down. Ti calm down. Who wa atalo kwa yakan? Sister me plan B ne. Our sister don't get plan B. There is no one I want to talk. For me, as a spiritual man, don't preach where I be. Our sister don't get plan B. Before our sister crack come out like this, plan B have been settled. Hello, they are not hearing me. Hello, they are not hearing me. So it's out there we have to tell our guy, make our guy arrange himself. If he not arrange himself, he's about to lose wife. And then man, now back boss. Now I want to settle this issue. Back boss. Only the educated ones we understand. Now let the mugus not understand. It's true. Now he's trying to explain herself. Now say, if for those that will not see her sit explain herself again, make a platform. I'm gonna see the way she explain herself. You know the sick bola like
you
that.
Don't like shine.
When I listen.
In March last year, and we did my
wait.
Father's burial in.
When I listen.
I have always praised my husband. I have always supported my husband. If my husband told you,
please share the video. Share the video. If you know you are watching me, please help me to share this video, like this video, make another person for see what we talk here. God bless you all. I don't know where you are watching. Please, if you know you are a good citizen of Benin, a good citizen of Nigeria, always share the video. God bless you. Thank you.
You are every 7 months. Are you blind? Are you not on this social media? When I born, was it not in March last year I gave birth to my son? In March last year, and we did my father's burial in March this year. How many months interval is that? Is that not a period of 1 year? How come it came on social media and told you it comes every 7 months and you have to buy it because you detest shine? Because you don't like shine. You don't like shine to be happy. You just want to break shine. What did I do? What did I do now? Iri waka. Igbo wa mojuaya. Eh? Igbo wa mojuaya. No, I didn't. Abieno my day na bieno ma. Ane mo be ya to storm ani. Abieno my day na bieno ma. Eh mo be ya to stay. No bo me do gwalo me liliri. You understand? So, I come marry my husband. Feel say, okay, I want to marry for good. I don't still marry for good. And if I'm being respected, I'm taken as I'm treated as a wife. A wife paying sacrifice in her own little ways. I will not leave my marriage. I will not leave my marriage. I will not say I want to leave my marriage. Have you ever seen a woman that they put a sugar in her mouth and she will spit it out and say, fine, I don't want to taste sugar. It's too sugary. I don't want
wow. It. Come on, like a marriage now. If you not say the marriage in a managba, a brother in UK, I'm a brother yege. I'm a brother yege. A brother one lele ya or one lere palace or one lere do for me. Brother, where my guy? This brother not guy. What you going what you? Solomon, where my guy? Solomon not guy. What you Solomon going? His home is about to scatter. Now they share this video. Please, if you know you are watching, say hi. I know they see you now. If you know you are watching, say hi. Get where would they go? I know they see a comment. I know they see anything. Make una invest Solomon come for me. Make a verse. Solomon, you need a verse. You know guy. Solomon, my guy. You are about to lose your beautiful princess. Solomon, you are about to lose your beautiful princess. This woman, neither they call Iyelo no Mose. Iyelo no Mose. Una go see many things when she talk. She explain herself better. Where people will understand that this is what she's passing through. But nobody want to take any, they don't want to understand. Even for abroad all day here, we know the way Kojite they worry many people. Many people, Kojite they worry them. We know. But nobody want to talk truth. You keep a woman, this kind of fresh woman, where be say, oh, your body may rubber, and she need it hot. Where no wa beg where for me co-parenting. Brother co-parenting. What your brother co-parenting going? Brother co-parenting, your attention is needed. Brother co-parenting, Mona calling for me. He's not hearing me. Hello, brother co-parenting, you are not hearing me. Mona share this video, my lovers. Why? He get where they go. He get where they go. Did you hear me? Gift, I see you. God bless you. He get where they go. You cannot keep a woman in Nigeria and you have a good work in UK. You are doing well. You are doing well. The jet chiller. Any way. You they go and see 6 months at least. Go they give your wife doggy. So that maybe break they calm down. You see the way she's explaining herself now. Where you go the problem. You know if your couple must say, you make you na. But now we be the analyzer. We go fit talk we not understand. Now we be the analyzer. We go talk the truth. The whole truth where this the matter. Man do gbele you talk. So that those one will get here or where they pass through this kind of situation, they go they take advice. They go they learn. They go they learn. You hear where this sister tell her say, not be me can toast you. Now you come from UK, can toast me. Now you say you love me. Based on say I dey Nigeria, you dey UK. You don't fair reason I say I dey Nigeria before you say you love me. Okay, why now? You can't put me for Igbedia as young I am. What do moment Igbedia? A visa man winner, where you spend, you go spend you with visa man winner. So a visa man winner, where's the diarrhea? The woman love his husband. Eto man love it, or what love it, but me no gwalo yege. Now this is not money be the problem. It's not money. It's not money. Nobody want to talk truth. It's not money. See what you they look for there. Wait till I put blue take circle there. That one they call better more at the man hola. Who have me solo na no one winner who zona. You go no say solo emi yagwe. Or die is heavy in some area. He get 3 leg. A 3 leg or yamudia. Wa when no beg she beg we beg she come to have video no ya we cooperative ba. Una don't ever see say share comment for any video where this man take the form my picking cooperative. I just they follow my ex baby mama for cooperative. Share not the comment. Nobody will see all these things. Nobody will talk it. Share I'll be gradually, secretly, emotionally, emiya die we go or même no ya sola bien. Not be only that one cause he pay share pass. Share still like man. Where be say he go dey support her as I say in any wish way. And well like the social media do a form I be traditional man. Yet he go. Those all these presenters, most of their husband no say their wife they fuck up. They will still support their wife. Diamond God bless you at all. And not go my way. Most of all these presenters where they see so, most of their husband where they pretend follow them, they not say many of their wives that they fuck up. That they do some things will not see make sense. They go stand, make the leakage not come out. Do you think all these women presenters, their husband know they see the atrocities where they communicate or whether they do? Their husband they see, but I won't but it's a boy solo that form a traditional man. Oh, when my wife, keep quiet. Where do I be spirit a sister man celebrity? Our yellow no mosi. Where take be spirit okay? Yellow no mosi. Where on work be spirit okay? Mr. Solomon. It's not like that. You have to come and tell your wife, you give her glory. If you want quarrel with her, call her for WhatsApp or anyhow until they call her. Oh honey, we are the support with but if you man make it sense. Lao anyway, you will not do it in ass. Eriok be yagbe. Also, I'm not telling Mr. Integrity, the do cyber space. Oh, go me like them social media there. Eti ma wo kame gui, ma wo kame wagui. Igbeso be ti o ma we do settle him. I'll still call person go settle us. Like them social media. Like that except we. Like them social media. Iwa be ti o ma lao. Ani wa be settle him. So, Mr. Francis Odigie and Mr. Solomon, will you come out or what disgrace of Elio, water. I will video. Do you know how many husbands where they support their wife for so many newsers where they come in for a dose about space? What man no here, not the talk truth. Water. Many of them they watch Don Prince. Una not say Don Prince they talk truth. Una go they pretend. Una not fit talk to Solo. Solo is about to lose the ass. No, if you talk to her, why I pretend the little Solo say, Solo, you are a working man. Solo, you are trying. Try for yourself. Carry your money, they go. If you not take test Solo, I do your ass way. You feel not like this video, but I they tell you, that's why I tell they do my own. That's why I tell they do my own. Go ask all of the way know me for social media. Hey, Ria will go me. So your wife no one made you feel where you are. A man or your work boy. I said that my now. If you went to where or your work boy. When it has solo parental what I say co-parental. Solo co-parental. What you going? Solo co-parental. Our guy is sincere. A man no pretend the no call it a doggy no wake because when no gijena or me you begging me no bune or begging me no bune as she don't balance. I dey tell you. Obala Sinena, she they see big things around her. And all those big things on Minasegwe. Near the ofio where you are, a temptation bookbe. Do you know how many temptation this woman see every day? Chef Francis Odigie, they see many temptation for man, but nobody want to say it. Oh, biere, awamere webo. Do you know how many wives where they Nigeria, where be say their husband they abroad, then they collect doggy steady. They not say the man. And so yes was over webo man. Where you real side way, oh, Hamaga yo, and ya ye go no, who de okay, who make it a blood de to. Umano saba unwe. I form a social media. I form a social media. I form a you don't get any family for social media. You not get any family for social media. Wait, they explain give. I do not know they share this video. Why I got video now? If you do, no, they like better thing. For now to share this video, may go massive. We are not go share this kind of better thing. If you do, this guy better what are the why guy abi? I know the share. Osasowa. Why guy? Go personal. Go Mumu Constance. Wherever. Umashere Mumu Constance. Mumu Constance. You are watching me. You not share. Mumu Constance. I tell you they watch me now. You not share. Egunwehi no Mumu Constance. Worie a backbone ekobete. Wogi de kobete. We mai. Walk by no. Walk by no. Now let you ekobete now. Since we travel that day, ekobete be that week. After week in it. Why they beat a kobete? Okay, no respect it. I mean, a lion of binane not pay. Today, he don't feel my impact. A don priest now is a good person. He don't feel my impact now. A man at a don priest. Woman at a don priest. A spirit may work me. Not be play. My spirit high. I use everything to support you. Imano wego, unakba, ume wire, uka me wigumede. Ume wigumede. Now you are from Ugume Weird so that the matter here way. A wiggy deal, a Mumu Costas now your blog. A wiggy deal. But today, you are if no Mumu Costas no ye day by way. Where are the Beragbene? Oh, when no way my the other woman, what the other woman? When no now when Mumu Costas is bonny me, oh, you, I will be me away. Hey, I fucking Mumu Costas yappy. What ye co better? Eh, matter where now? You matter Niji. Iwe zege wadi ona yuwe. Waga video na geko bete we. Peno we mama leli. Oga try da Mumu Constance. Hey. Social media will pass. Eko bete. Why do beg? Eko bete. You can know the power of Mumu Constance. When it'sana, you will not know the power. Hey, I try, no try the mama leli. Not try to Ubelun warere lele dan who pretend the hefeko awe lele video. Awe lele video. Because we like matter. Vini meji wana gbe me kweku. Menobo. Neti doctor. Wana gbe me kweku. Una 100 years not be forever. Yes, if me una go regret am. Not be play. Me no go get 1 naira o. Una go just enjoy the money, but una go regret am. Ide on a kulikuli wa mudia in a better message de kulikuli. No, he beg a video ni of you. Oh, don't prince. Yeah, way. I don't prepare the video done. I'll call later. I'll tell now what make kulikuli they reduce. What make kulikuli slang. Why not the get rest of night every day? There's a secret that will bust. All of them will wait. Una you leave kulikuli no wa azu no from waiting a go the page in they distract my page from Monica for the happy kulikuli 100 days not be forever oh. Continue to track my page, track everything. When I do and I no computer pass, do everything you like, but me get my mat when I take this trauma. When we wait with saga kulikuli, you know if you do saga now you to the day saga they use computer they distress people's page. You know if you do saga, so now we will come explain your life give people and they see evidence of truth inside. Kuli, they hear me so. They go, they see evidence of truth inside. For real. You think say you don't do things, you don't go sit down one place. As me. A matty me for ya know, na maybe Ugbobo. My matter not the finish. It's a vala. I can saga you for 10 years. Except you know the social media again. 10 years. He just God's power. That one. He only me a man at a don prince. Again, yeah, forgetting it. He will be wicked the matter. Only don't prince. Your this same massacre they finish. You know they finish you. It's that way you take forget you be wake you memory where are they gay. We ogun be rag bijou are they. Only don't prince. The Chris. So that one come off for great. So my people, let's go to Shine Francis Odigie matter. I'm gonna share this video, my lovers. Mona share this video, my lovers. Wagae. Let's go there. Amanatame Solo say Solo, this is what you are doing. Will not make sense. Solo no go use sense. Before now know, Solo go you lose this house. You go you lose your home. It's our time we have to talk to Solo. Udianorie Solo agbe. Budiani Solo nowhere instant put. Now they hear me so. Solo go nowhere instant put. Because now Solo they feel say if they spend money, now make it be perfect man. Solo is not by spending money that will make you a perfect man. Hello. Solo co-parenting, you are not hearing me. Solo co-parenting, you are not hearing me. I'm gonna share this video aloud. Wagai. Wawagai. Wawagai. Don't you? No like. Wamari like you. Only 2 people don't like. 10 people don't share what we see. Wawagai. Wari like you. Wari like. Wawagai. Moi don't prince. Osa saying. The only man we go talk at the way be. Sharon. God will bless you. Give me love and light. Ima wari go me. Ima saying. Wawagai. Erin waya. Iya deve. Erin wa. Iweti iya deve. Mota. I'll be loud. So, Mona the share, let's move. Let's move, okay. So, now the year which I they talk, my people. Mona me advise Solo come. Mona tagger Solo. Mona tag Solo come. Say, don't please the caller. I want to advise him. He's a man like me. I know what is going on right now on his marriage. They hear me so? I want to advise him. Please, Mona, if he likes it, don't please notice to advise me. They play. Oga, they play. Oga co-parenting, they play. I will talk to you. Now maybe don't please, go ask. Now what I tell the correct people so thanks. If they hear me so, now maybe don't prince. See Solo no normal. Why you talk like that? I'm saying no normal. Who tells you no normal? Who tells he not guy? Don't be saying no normal. He not guy. You get here because the person not guy. Oh my guy. What oh my normal? Oh one normal. Oh one normal. Lulu. Solo normal. Just that he not guy. He not guy. Now maybe don't prince. It's Solo my guy. He not guy. You know, guy. So, my people, for those of you now where just they come, more fair listen to our sister, make our sister talk so that more can explain more better. Please just continue to share the video. Mona you the share so that I want play for now. Mona list the way, Mona see the way our sister talk. Yellow no muse, aka yellow comfortable wife. Abi we at here. Oh yeah, Mona listen to her.
How? Oh no, this is not nice. This is not nice. This is not nice. All women are not money driven. I have never said my husband is not a good man. I have always praised my husband. I have always supported my husband. If my husband told you he comes to Nigeria every 7 months, are you blind? Are you not on this social media? When I born, was it not in March last year I gave birth to my son? In March last year, and we did my father's burial in March this year. How many months interval is that? Is that not a period of 1 year? How come he came on social media and told you he comes every 7 months and you have to buy it because you detest shine? Because you don't like shine. You don't like shine to be happy. You just want to break shine. What did I do? What did I do now? Igbo wa mojuaya. Eh? Ibu Amojuaya. No, I didn't. Abieno my day na bieno and I know ya to storm ani. Abieno my day na bieno I know ya to stay. No bone do gwalo me lili. Understand? So I come marry my husband. Feel say okay, I want to marry for good. I don't still marry for good. And if I'm being respected and taken as and treated as a wife paying sacrifice in her own little ways, I will not leave my marriage. I will not leave my marriage. I will not say I want to leave my marriage. Have you ever seen a woman that they put a sugar in her mouth and she will spit it out and say, I don't want to taste sugar, it's too sugary, I don't want it. Have you ever seen it? How come you guys don't want to use your sense? Oh, until you see somebody come and talk before you use your sense? What is that? Please, if you have a sister you want to give to my husband, you said you don't, he's too good. He's too good. He gives money. Come and give him the sister. Give him the sister. Me, I'm taking my time. I only said I'm done. If you have a sister you want to give him, go ahead and give him. If you yourself, you like it, you like the money he's giving me, and you yourself, you feel you can do better with the money, go ahead and have it. I'm not putting a chain on anybody's hand or legs, but I will not be a slave to money. I will not.
Why not have? I will not be a slave to money. Why not me now? Is it now? What did they make sure there? I will not be a slave to money. There are so many women who have this money, but in any kia who say, "Egba, wata." Oh, I will not be a slave to money. I am not me. He says so many things there, but you people will not understand. The man is emotionally embarrassing on social media with style. On the one side. Two, a sister make bola who say, as you got this sister, or waro for 1 year, every week here. Wawene soladia. Enu wati wewe buwana. Wani buwe buwana wane 7 baby mama father, 4 baby father, 5 baby father. Okpasu wai, say your dad, wa movene. Before you know, wa movene. Et so me 5 baby father mana. Et so ni ve avase shana on ya avase. Et so me 5 baby father. 5 baby father. When they say why gozo sena. Wa wene wa aro video. Gbeso eti anamana gwe solo gwan. E solo eti gbe 2 years ere. E shen wa aro video. Awa e video call yanga u. E video call yanga u. Now when I iguana money not be problem again. E man now we have a ticket. E sha the ticket in no de wa. If this man say I don't have money for ticket, or can you even lare, shall go buy ticket or where are you wa? We don't 1 month. We don't 1 month. Ni very a mess and walk here. They be fresh. E sha wa can go very man. E people in your can you like that. If you look China, you can't see big people so yeah. E people see like that. Una they supposed to lo cooperator man. No marry no o yan marry no you. Or if from the cooperator man. E solo walk by the baby mama we webo. Walk by the baby mama. Men no go na men. Walk by the baby mama. Una mo walk by the feko we no awune ulawa. E marry. Wa from the cooperator. Wa mo ki ale le oni so ni sonya. E bona oni se boye oye na e kana la kui. Oni se bonu munya ime ekoye wolowolo e won se oni se to re the other side eko to re the other we le hia e sha wa we ogie a o makoko ba tanya me nobody want to take this thing to Solomon we solo area yawe we to tie bed there esiwe wa we bed we relax we are doing cooperator. You do cooperator. Asonare uriekia uriwe uzazuhe woto we ibamine we are anwe vino wowa. We ibamine we are palowe we are anwe vino. Uwe ne sha no tu la senre. Oma no de wa gbo e. Oga trape so no. E wa we kia yu ohun. E le complete. Ale le we mu moge no masi no ma negbe. We are with our love you. Solomon, they listen to me. I bella one of you, Kewa, I see you there. You think say maybe he hear they play with you. He go hear they give you all the fun with fair. But he want your phone, now we mugu. Oh, the guy watch the guy. Only what do they doggy? You can't give him a better doggy. Better doggy. Jennifer Ward, thank you. Always truth, very truth. Nobody will share the truth. They don't like Don Prince because Don Prince they talk truth. They don't like Don Prince. Because why? Don Prince they talk at the way it be. They will not like Don Prince. I will talk it the way it be. If you like me. If you like, don't like me. Now you know. Hello. Unana they hear me. For real. Okay, we so no. Awa kia you on solo. Every say the way. I walk now, everything. You only the way kuse. But where if you phone, always mugu. Always, but this woman still have fear of tradition. When you hear China. The fear of tradition, see they shine body, now make shine the vocal mat now way. Wahala. Imana wado gbere. I'm seeing big things around me. Oh, when you marry me go, oh, when I get 20,000, so far not satisfied. I'm okay. Jennifer say you are on point, my brother. God bless you, Jennifer Ward. I love people that say truth. Cynthia, I say good afternoon, Doctor. God bless you, Cynthia. I see you. For real. This is the pure truth we have to say. Nobody want to say it. A man called Solomon, co-parenter. You know if you use your brain, may reason and say, oh, when I make you say, I'm not getting rid of anything, no, you attract anything. Oh, alwerere, umalwerere. Oh, la dialedere, I have a normal lack of a dovionia. Walk by or door, not the shot of head down. The rest women, you must shut out when you're done. You get saga where it take place recently now. Now only this so local parenting. Now he come back and shut your wife down. You want for good man. You want for say you are responsible. Now you responsible pass. All those one where cover their wife secret, they not let their secret leak. Do you know the secret where kuli keep for what do you call her? What echo better? Where secret in the kuli keep? That the cool wa mieni. Why secret not keep no you? Why secret not keep? The kuli kuna ye keep a secret in our dovo ha. Ona ye keep but the thing they chop inside body. It will de no ni. It de no ni no we kuli no man be no zoa. The secret he keep for his wife. That secret they shop on. And the sit on the show for their ass every day. Then they pretend. No so why in Nigeria. Oh, we Ladian, I don't have me man. I want you to go inside. Don't do this one. Who we are like we. Everyone we be normal like we. Solo people you think you are fighting for, they don't like you. They don't like you. People you think you are fighting for, they are chasing cloud. They don't like you. You leave your wife, may explode. Give her more. If you want to advise your wife, anything will not good. No, they advise her for social media. They call her for his as the advisor. The advisor. Everyone on the social media. What tweet he say? What tweet he say? What here tweet over how you tweet? Amaka where if not be this woman, whether they call Odigie, nobody knew you. Nobody know you. Odigie na already do the level when I am where. I didn't know when who wait to for more guy. Yeah, the landlord. A landlord who might feel more gani say who have a worry illiterate way. I mean that's a illiterate way. Illiterate way. Oh way, Yahweh. Illiterate way. Which is not empowering that woman. It's not giving that woman the place to breathe. Every breathe is say because we're not getting a package, okay? You believe you will hear the bring with social media. You know they give her a level mate stand. Do you know the women where they under your wife? Do you know the women where they look under your wife say our madam? Do you know how many women? I hear say she get one club where she did where she know they got that if whatever they are taking her as a mentor. Oh, when I hear when mentor where one ladia where do I form moga? Where do I form moga? Ni man we want man no mula. The man I quick play this one for them. Muna see. Wa go show. Wa e brother Ima. O wa like palo wa leri. Oh, wa brother Ima. Mona de see o. Weti ku veli ni. Weti ku veli ni. Amudia. My platform. Wa brother. Wa brother. Mona see brother wait to we. Okay, you wanna know. Mona see brother. Wa bege inwa no ya do ohun yo elikiba wo elikiba abi irano yehu abi Mona dey listen to that. Wa bege we to mo vivie. We do vivie. We do vivie master system ane. We the system do alala ne. No what no mudia. O vivie no bia na mu wa gesi. O bia na wa do vivie. O vivie wa gwe. O vivie gwe. Somebody say o vivie. O vivie gwe o vivie. Wa wash. They know they see him. They are not seeing it. Hello, they are not seeing it. Well, now they see him. Wa gesi. Ya kwe bege. Hello, they are not hearing me. Wa bege ne de wana mume. Esolo kopeneta. Esolo kopeneta. We wa mo vivie. Una wa dai. We do awiri we likiba. Irano je kwewu. We irano je kwewu we. We irano je kwewu because you have it big under the leg. My people, una dey hear me so, una dey share the video. Share it with love. Why more? May everybody come to see what they play. Some women for Nigeria, they bear. Now make you see say many in do afio where you are. 14. 14 ni do afio where you are. Wa ge atemata. Now you na we wo elikiba era no je kwewo. Wo elikiba wa stay for 1 year. Ohwe wa mi na say wo elikiba. Igbe pe ni vie do ni abere. Ikpe ni vie do ni abere. My people, una dey see am. Una we get ego una suppose to say this man he hold am big there. Emi gue. Odemi he get second leg. Wa ten water. This man wey dey call solo, he get second leg he get am. And I from Victor no we carry twin. And I from Victor no we carry twin. And I from Victor onye ze wala luela unwe ya go. And I from Victor on amwe you way everywhere go tight. A space in there. No space. Toto no go breathe. Oga amwe you way Toto no go breathe. Everywhere go block. Wait, so person like this, when they share so ladia, share, I support you. But hey, so that why you try now you resolve it? Why you try? Hey, see, I know what you are missing, my sister. My adult sister, I know what you are missing. Before you cry, I know what you are missing. Oh, why money is not the problem. Money is not the problem. Una go look the other side. I don't go settle many home. If you hear say the woman they say my husband is good, money is not the problem. But here the problem. You will not look the other side. So as a good person when sabi calculate, you quick calculate say, oh, be na quick boho na say. Oh, be na quick boho na say. You will look the other side. If you not look the other side, you they make mistake. And some women they need them. They need them. Many women need them. Not be play. Many women need them. And my sister now will go work. Or what giving all the just all the way me all the way at the end. Or what we so what we love your video, the one what we call hello. How long will you continue to the somebody say I like his cassava, imagine. Ubere mi no sunu iyedu ni meta na ri egbe or I like his cassava. Chef Francis Odigie we beg na we wonata or I like your husband cassava. Eche wenu yamu. Go akare Go and carry. But beg ya. But when they share so la